Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of whose app you click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you can click on sorry, not here. In this page you will search about, you click in the first on apps, then you can search about whose app, and then you can click on first stop. After that you'll enter the storage, and here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.